Hello, this is Noreen from Joya Cards. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more Stampin' Up card videos, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the little ring button, and then you'll be the first to be notified when I post new videos. So anyway, we're going to be making this really cute little hedgehog get well card. I'm actually sending this out to somebody, and I'm going to be using Walk in the Woods for my little hedgehog and the leaf, and I'm going to use Many Mates for Get Well Soon and Well Said for the sentiment inside. And then the two dies I'm going to be using, or three dies, is going to be from Hippo and Friends. I'm going to use the largest of these two, and for this little circle here is from Tasteful Labels. So it's really easy. This is a super easy one. So I took a piece of cinnamon cider, and it's just 5.5 by 4 1/4. And then I took a piece of Mossy Meadow, and I cut this 5 1/4 by 4. And then I'm going to grab my stamping pad and a piece of scratch paper, and I'm going to grab the leaf from Walk in the Woods and some Mossy Meadow. And I know I'm stamping Mossy Meadow on Mossy Meadow paper, but I think that looks really nice. So I'm going to take the leaf like this, and then I'm just going to stamp it in like random places here on the card, whatever looks good, and just all around, in the middle even. And you know, the scratch paper is so you know you don't stamp on your workspace here. Just all around like that. And then I'm also going to take the inside, which is also a 5 1/4 by 4, and I'm going to stamp the corners here. And of course you want your scratch paper again, so let's do the corners like that, like that, like that, and like that. After you stamp your front piece like this, then you're going to grab your Hippo and Friends, and you're going to grab the middle, not the largest one, but the second largest one, and you're going to cut that in shimmery white. And then you're also going to grab your Tasteful Labels and grab the larger of the circle and also cut that in shimmer white. And while you're at it, grab the largest one of these from Hippo and Friends for the inside piece, and here you might as well just cut them all at once. So now I'm going to do all the stamping. So I do actually want that middle piece out because we might as well do it all at once. So I'm going to grab my stamping pad here, and I'm going to stamp my hedgehog first, and he goes on the smaller one of these. So just take him and put him right in the middle. Then grab the sentiment from Well Said, Sending Healing Thoughts Your Way, and we're going to stamp that up and put it in the top section of this piece because this goes inside. Okay, then we're going to grab Get Well Soon from Many Mates and also stamp that up and do your circle here. We're going to paint our little hedgehog, so I'm going to take crumb cake and cinnamon cider, and I'm going to grab these and I'm going to paint a block like so, and cinnamon cider like so. And I'm going to use these new water painter brushes, and the reason why is because there's a thick one, a medium one, and then there's really this nice little fine point one, and you want the fine point one because what we're going to do is we're going to color the guys in here. So, and if you're not comfortable with these painters, just kind of, you know, check them out before you start on your piece, but they will be darker originally. Make sure you don't have too much water on there, and then they'll lighten up. So if you want to start with the darker color on the parts that are stamped, that might be a good idea. Now this is the lighter color, this is crumb cake, and I'm going to paint everything except around his eyes and his not on his nose, but around his nose in the lighter color. So I'm going to paint his little body here, and I'll be right back. Done the light color, now I'm going to do cinnamon cider and just get the tip of the brush here and start painting all that little fur. So everything that was on that black memento stamp, except for his eyes and his nose, you want to just outline that. So you're kind of like filling in his fur. So I'm going to do that. I'll be right back. This is what the little hedgehog looks like. And if you don't have any of these water painters, go into the body of my video, and there's a little bit.ly click that'll get you right to my Stampin' Up page, so you can go ahead and purchase that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the new 2020-2022 in color ribbon, and I'm going to make a little bow like this, and then I'm going to cut off a piece that's just, you know, a little longer than the card, and flip this over, and I'm going to snail this on, and I just want it on the edge, so I think I'll put it on this edge. So I'm going to put it here and here. So lay down your ribbon, and I just want it on the edge, and just take a little tied bow in that and get a glue dot and just like stick it in the middle here and put your little bow on. And take some dimensionals and just, you know, put like 4 dimensionals on. And while you're at it, go ahead and dimensional your get well soon. I'll do that and be right back. Dimensional my little hedgehog. So I'm going to put him right here. And I'm going to take my get well soon and put it right there. Now I can go ahead and put this on the base. So make sure it opens right. And put that right here. Then open up my card, and we had that one piece that we already stamped with the leaves on the end, and just put that in the middle. So you can win the demo card if you, I'm going to grab this all and just put it on here. If you send me a comment and put your email address on it. It's very important you put your email address, because if you don't, I can't talk to you. So put your email address on there and say, oh, I love the card. And if you're the first one, if you're a first-time subscriber and you're the first one, and you email me, I will send you the demo card. I'll mail it to you. So something for free, yay. So that's the card. So please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you like the card, and maybe you'll win it. So that's it. Thanks. Bye.